All right, boys and girls, so this is your overview. Right now we are in my science course and we're going to take a look at each day. On Monday, you have pages in the text you're going to read 479 to 483. Then you are going to come down here to this discussion board titled What Are Your Traits? And you're going to complete this discussion board. Please make sure, boys and girls, that you read the directions when you open the discussion board. On Tuesday, you are going to watch this short video clip. It is right here. It is about nature versus nurture. Then you are going to come down here and complete this discussion board on environmental traits. Again, please read carefully those directions so that you earn full credit for your response. On Wednesday, you are going to read in your science textbook pages 486 to 488. There is an activity here. It is about learned versus instinct behaviors. You do have 2 attempts to complete this activity. You can also resume it, meaning if you get kicked out for some reason, you can go back and open this activity and continue working. However, guys, I know that by now you are aware that I am not here Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so I will not be able to reset this activity, meaning please take your time and do your very best on your first attempt. Let's take a look at Thursday. On Thursday, you're going to watch the Lesson 4 review video. It's right here. It focuses on heredity, instincts, and learned behaviors. After watching the video, you will complete this brain check. Again, just like yesterday, you have 2 attempts to complete the activity. You can resume, and I will not be able to reset this for you. So just a friendly reminder, please take your time and do your very best. Finally, Friday. I know that reading and math have been pretty heavy this week. We've had a lot of assignments. There's more videos to watch because I'm not there to go through the live meetings with you. So I am going to allow you to use this time today to complete work for any of your other subjects. All right, have a great week in science, guys. I'll see you hopefully next week.